So Anne, welcome. You've come here today to find out a little bit more about this handsome woman here.
This lady is Bessie Nathan, and she had, apparently, 5 children. But I believe that the youngest child wasn't hers. I believe that she was the daughter of my grandmother's sister. And I just want to find out if I'm right, basically.
This is a family tree. So Anne, here you are down the bottom. This is your grandmother, is that right? And then we can see right on the end here, we have Bessie. And you can see that gap between Harriet in 1880
Yep.
and Bessie in 1896.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit of a, what's going on?
Yes.
And Harriet runs away. Now, how old was Harriet when she ran away?
She was 14.
She was 14. She disappears for a couple of years, and then she comes back, and then Bessie appears on the scene. And here we have Bessie's birth record. And we can see here that she's definitely 1896. When Harriet ran away and when Bessie was born, they're very close.
Yes. And one of the things I've been trying to find out is the fact that Bessie Hope is born, she's registered in Chorlton, and they move to Newport and open a fancy goods bazaar.
Why do you think Harriet ran off?
She was appearing on the stage, and I think there was an actor. And I think he encouraged her and she ran off with him.
So this document is the citizenship application for the daughter, Bessie Hope, or as she appears in the document, Holder, because she married an American soldier. And the link to America is really important because it's important for telling the story, right? And for getting to the truth as to where does Bessie fit in the family. And looking at your DNA and looking at the DNA of descendants of Bessie Hope in America, as your cousins, we're able to determine exactly where Bessie fits in the family. And Bessie Hope is definitely the daughter of Bessie Nathan.
She really is.
She really is.
But that's wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anne.